Okay, this video is about the plugin All-in-One WP Migration and how to use it. So I'm going to add a new plugin, and I'll just type All-in-One in the search here. Okay, and I see this All-in-One WP Migration. This is a free plugin that helps you back up your WordPress site, and you can. And actually, I'm using it now because with my GoDaddy hosting, it said I was overusing the resources. For some reason, I only had a few sites up, and something a little funky was going on. So I'm going to test which sites might be using the resources excessively, and it might be a plugin. It might be this site. So we'll see. Now, what I'm going to do is I exported this before, and if you export it, you can export it to a file. You can also import it from a file. So I'm going to import it from a file. And it downloads. Date modified today. So I have these files, and I'm going to do the math for everybody. And I'm going to open that. And so now it's importing. This will take a little bit of time, but not really that long, to be quite honest. And it's giving me the percentages, how far it's along with the import. And once I import it, it'll be just like the site that I exported it with. It's a pretty handy tool. Nice way to back it up. You can just do a quick install, one-click install from WordPress, and then bring your backup in and just import it in, and you get the site that you had. So it's a great way to just use. I use it that way. Very helpful tool. I can put my sites right back up. I can test which site might be over-consuming the resources, and go from there. And it's very quick to upload. So your site really doesn't have to be down that long if you're doing this kind of testing. It really only has to be down a few minutes. You do it at a time that no one really visits your site, or very few people visit your site, and and something like the site will be undergoing maintenance or whatever. It's pretty easy to do. So just do. So we're waiting. And I hope you get some good ideas with using this plugin. It's a very helpful tool with when you're building websites and you want to move them around. Just makes it extremely easy for you. Okay, we're still going. We're going. We're almost there. Okay. And you'll see it'll take a little bit of time, but so far this video is under 5 minutes. So let's see, we're almost there. See if we can get it all done under 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so now it has to rewrite some stuff. Okay, so you have to read this. We'll overwrite your website, including database, media, plugins, and themes. Please be sure that you have a backup of data before proceeding to the next step. Now, this is just a fresh install, so I don't really need a backup for that. Okay, so now it's going to run through the process and restore the file. So it will take a little bit of time, but remember, we downloaded and activated a plugin during this time too. So, doing all that, we're going to have our website up in maybe a little bit over 5 minutes. But the actual time it's taken for the import is a very short amount of time. The actual import will be less than 5 minutes, just a few minutes to import everything. So And I do these videos, these raw videos, just basically, nothing's cut out. This is how long it's going to take. If I mess up, you get to see the mistakes. Everything's just as it would be in real time. And my internet connection isn't that great, so that could be affecting things as well, from when I was uploading the file. So, okay, we're about to restore the database. Okay, and we're going to close. Okay, and let's open the link in a new tab and see. Yeah, and we got the site. Site is up. Okay, I've got a quiz that I had up, which is great. So it's all up. I'm ready to go. And thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video and it was very informative.